on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Dixie, go potty. Go potty, it's okay. Come on, good girl, go potty.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is and the egg won't break. So I'm going to try this with Dak and see what he does.
Here we go again. My human is so needy. I don't know what's happening. I want to go back to pooping on the floor in peace, but they just won't stop snuggling me. Maybe if I stay real...
I told you I'm a fool. I told you I'm a fool for you. Who would have thought that crumbled piece of paper that I dropped on the floor and you picked up would be the reason we'd say hello, and we'd sit and talk for hours playing 20 questions.
If you're happy and you know it, do a speak.
Speak. Stop.
If you're happy and you know it, do a speak.
Speak. Stop.
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will really show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a speak.
Speak. Good girl.
If you're happy.
Hey Dad, guess what happened at school today?
I have no idea, buddy. What happened?
My teacher asked me, if I could be anything in the world, what would I be?
What'd you tell her?
I told her I wanted to be just like you.
Oh, buddy.
A big pile of trash.
Oh.
Yeah, so she's probably actually gonna call you later to talk about that.